Have you ever wondered how to make money online? In this digital era, the landscape of earning money has significantly evolved. The internet has become a vast marketplace, presenting innumerable opportunities for anyone with a dream and a plan. It's no longer just about the traditional 9-to-5 grind. Now, you can leverage the power of the internet to generate income right from the comfort of your own home. The rise of online entrepreneurship has been nothing short of phenomenal, transforming the way we perceive work and financial independence. From freelancing to blogging, e-commerce to affiliate marketing, there are various avenues to explore. Each one unique, each one providing a different way to monetize your skills, passions, and even your spare time. So are you ready to dive into this world of online income generation? Today, we are going to explore 10 ways you can make money online. Let's get started, shall we? The first way to make money online is through freelancing. Now, what exactly is freelancing? Well, freelancing is a form of self-employment where you offer your skills or services to clients on a project-by-project basis, without being tied to a single employer. It's like running your own small business, but without the overhead costs and the need for a physical location. There are numerous online platforms where you can start your freelancing journey, such as Upwork and Fiverr. These websites connect freelancers with clients who need their skills and services. Whether you're a graphic designer, a writer, a developer, or a digital marketer, there's a place for you in the freelancing world. The beauty of freelancing is that it allows you to work from anywhere, at any time, and on projects that you find interesting and fulfilling. By offering your skills and services, you can start making money online right away. The second way to make money online is through blogging. Think of a blog as your very own digital platform where you can share your knowledge, ideas, or even your daily life. To start a blog, you'll need a catchy name and a reliable blogging platform. But before you dive in, it's essential to choose a niche or a specific topic that you're passionate about. This could be anything from cooking, fashion, tech, or even a personal development blog. Once you've got your blog up and running, it's time to monetize it. You can do this by placing ads on your blog or through affiliate marketing where you recommend products and earn a commission from every sale made through your referral link. It's not an overnight success, but with persistence, creativity, and a good understanding of your audience, blogging can potentially turn into a lucrative online business. Blogging can be a lucrative online business if done right. The third way to make money online is by taking online surveys and writing reviews. Now, there are numerous websites that actually pay you for your opinion. Sites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Vindale Research, just to name a few. This can be an excellent option if you're looking for ways to make money online without putting in a ton of effort. It's as simple as sharing your thoughts and getting paid for it. Online surveys and reviews can be a quick way to earn some extra cash. The fourth way to make money online is by starting an e-commerce business. So, what's involved? Well, it starts with setting up an online store. You can use platforms like Shopify or WordPress to get your store up and running, or you can build a store from scratch if you have the technical skills. Once your store is ready, it's time to choose your products. These could be physical products you've created yourself, or digital products like ebooks or software. You could also choose to dropship, which means you sell products from other suppliers and they handle the shipping. Now, once your store is set up and stocked, you need to market it. Social media, SEO, and email marketing are all effective ways to drive traffic to your store. It's all about getting your products in front of the right people. With hard work and a bit of luck, a successful e-commerce business can bring in substantial earnings. E-commerce is a great way to make money online if you have a product or service to sell. The fifth way to make money online is through online tutoring. If you have expertise in a specific subject and a passion for sharing knowledge, online tutoring could be your ticket to profitability. The prerequisites are simple: a solid understanding of your subject, effective communication skills, and a reliable internet connection. Platforms like Tutor.com and Chegg Tutors are always looking for knowledgeable individuals. Potential earnings can range from $20 to $50 an hour, depending on your subject and experience. Online tutoring can be a rewarding and profitable way to make money online. The sixth way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. Now, you may be wondering, what exactly is affiliate marketing? It's essentially a performance-based business model where you partner up with a company and promote their products or services. When someone purchases through your unique referral link, you get a commission. To get started, you'll need a platform where you can promote these products. This could be a blog, a YouTube channel, or a social media account with a significant following. Once you have that, you can join an affiliate program that aligns with your audience's interests and start promoting. The potential earnings from affiliate marketing can vary greatly. Some people make a few $100s a month while others are making 5 to 6 figures a year. The key is to build a strong online presence and promote products that genuinely resonate with your audience. Affiliate marketing can be a profitable way to make money online if you have a good online presence. The 7th way to make money online is through stock trading. Picture this, you're buying pieces of a company, and as the company grows, so does your investment. But it's not as simple as it sounds. You need a clear understanding of how the market works, and the ability to analyze trends in financial data. Now here's the exciting part. The potential profits can be substantial. Imagine buying a stock at $10 and selling it at $20. You've just doubled your investment. But remember, the market can be unpredictable and losses are part of the game. Stock trading is not for the faint-hearted. It requires patience, research, and a keen eye for detail. It's also crucial to diversify your portfolio to spread the risk. So if you're willing to put in the time and effort to understand the market dynamics, stock trading can be a profitable venture. Remember though, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Stock trading can be a profitable but risky way to make money online. The 8th way to make money online is by starting a YouTube channel. Now, this might sound a bit daunting, but it's easier than you think. First, you'll need to find a niche that you're passionate about. It could be anything from cooking, gaming, or even a how-to series. Once you've found your niche, it's time to start creating content. The key here is consistency. Regular uploads can help you grow an audience. And the more people that watch your videos, the more money you can potentially make. As your channel grows, you can monetize it through various ways, such as ad revenue, sponsored videos, or even merchandise sales. Remember, it's important to engage with your audience by responding to comments and creating content that they want to see. It might take some time, but with patience and hard work, you could turn your YouTube channel into a profitable online business. Starting a YouTube channel can be a fun and profitable way to make money online. The 9th way to make money online is through podcasting. Podcasting provides a unique platform where you can share your thoughts, ideas, or expertise with the world. To start a podcast, you'll need a good microphone, a quiet place to record, and a topic you're passionate about. Once you've recorded your episodes, you can publish them on various podcast platforms like Apple Podcasts or Spotify. Growing an audience is crucial for podcasting success. Be consistent with your content, engage with your listeners, and promote your podcast through social media or collaborations with other podcasters. Now, let's talk about monetizing. Podcasts can be monetized in several ways. You can sell ad spots, offer premium content for a fee, or even get sponsorships from businesses that align with your podcast's theme. The potential profits from a successful podcast can be substantial, depending on your audience size and engagement. Podcasting can be a profitable way to make money online if you have interesting content and a good voice. The 10th way to make money online is by renting out your property on Airbnb. Airbnb is a platform that connects people who have space to spare with those who are looking for a place to stay. It's like a matchmaking service for short-term rentals. To list a property, simply create an account, snap some photos of your space, and write a compelling description. You can set your own price, availability, and house rules. There's real potential for earnings here. Depending on your location and the quality of your property, you could make a significant income. Plus, it's a great way to make use of any unused spaces in your home. And let's not forget, you'll be joining a global community of hosts sharing their spaces and cultures. The benefits are clear: flexibility, potential income, and the use of idle property. Renting out property on Airbnb can be a great way to make money online, especially if you have unused space. So, there you have it. 10 ways to make money online. From freelancing to blogging, online surveys to e-commerce, online tutoring to affiliate marketing, stock trading, YouTube channels, podcasting, and even renting out property on Airbnb. Remember, making money online demands effort, skills, and sometimes an upfront investment. It's not an overnight success story, it's a journey. But with determination and the right strategy, anyone can start making money online. Why not give it a try?